Hey, guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you found this video helpful, then please don't forget to like and share it. Also, if you are still not subscribed to the channel, then don't go without pressing the subscribe button. Make $350 by typing words for 1 hour. Make money online. If you're looking to make a little more money, why not put your typing skills to work? A quick search will tell you there are job opportunities and quite a few typing jobs available. This blog will help you put that basic knowledge to work. It will cover everything from the right jobs to the pay range you can expect. You might not achieve financial freedom with these, but many are a solid way to make some cash. 7 online typing jobs. Make cash typing online through project work. Or you can boost your bank account with a series of very short tasks. There are major companies and small businesses looking for people who can type online. Here are some online typing job options that will make you extra money. 1. Data entry. Data entry jobs are considered entry-level. Some of these jobs require previous data entry experience. Some have an accuracy standard that can be as high as 98%, plus a minimum for the number of words per minute. This is an online typing gig where you'll need to corral data from different sources. Get paid between $12.98 and $22.84 per hour. You might find employment through protective service agencies in your area, or private companies. 2. Transcription. There are different types of transcription jobs to choose from. Some of them where you get paid to type include medical transcription, meetings, and phone calls. Quite often, selling small transcription services means working within your client's guidelines. General transcriptionist positions pay the least. A company pays more for work in legal and medical arenas. Be warned. You might need some background in legal terminology. Successful candidates need to be discreet and have good listening and computer skills. You'll encounter deadlines if you need to go through test transcription work. The time frame on a transcription test is usually non-negotiable. Possible employers want to see if you can work efficiently and quickly. You'll also need good English skills. And a minimum typing speed of 70 words per minute. And a good internet connection. These typing services pay about $15 an hour. 3. Audio recordings. Convert speech from an audio recording into text. These can include audio files and video files. Journalists use this service for interviews. And video editors for subtitles and captions. The base rate is $1 per audio minute. 4. Virtual assistants. This is an online job where you can earn money by typing and performing a few other duties. These include such tasks as basic data entry and even answering phone calls. Beyond data entry work, virtual assistants can work at typing websites, or they might even transcribe songs. 5. Handwritten documents. There are several requirements when you want to type handwritten documents. Turning freehand notes into electronic documents might require special knowledge in a certain area. The client might want the handwritten version left with misspellings and errors. You can get paid for printed matters too. 6. Human intelligence tasks. Basically, you'll be answering questions. Get paid to finish a virtual task. It's another way to make money on the web. Rating photos and typing in assessments is an example. Typing CAPTCHAs also qualifies. Thanks for watching.